Solid Edge's best-in-class integration with Teamcenter allows users to seamlessly and accurately search for files based on name, ID, description, custom attributes, and even shape. Reusing design data is flexible and can be performed using various tools. A simple way to find the best suited part is by running shape search on a simple profile created here. Shape search results are listed with previews in the embedded Active Workspace pane. If a newer version or revision is available, designers are assisted with notifications on the Pathfinder. This enables them to quickly replace and update to the latest working design, reducing rework and errors. Shape search results can be directly reused in the assembly, improving the overall productivity and efficiency of designers. Adopting a model-based design approach in manufacturing is supported by product manufacturing information. As we see here, critical PMI dimensions for manufacturing and assembly purposes are directly transferred from Solid Edge to the shop floor viewer. Supplier collaboration is quick and easy. Directly export the required outputs like STEP, Parasolid, or DXF, and these files can later be extracted to a local destination for sharing with suppliers. Solid Edge Data Management provides powerful inbuilt capabilities like quick file search. To facilitate better decision-making, a Where Used allows designers to evaluate the widespread impact of a design change. Built-in workflows allow files to be reviewed and released. Authorized designers may perform a quick release to directly release files. All released files are automatically set to read-only and moved to a released folder. Also, users may involve reviewers by choosing from a predefined list. The initiator and reviewer are notified via email. Reviewers have a dedicated workflow notification panel which provides information on pending approvals. Actions can be performed from within the notification panel or through Solid Edge. Here, a manager reviews the list of affected documents in a spreadsheet, the assembly design in Solid Edge, and approves the design. Details of reviewer, workflow history, and file status are available in Windows Explorer as individual attributes, allowing users to quickly extract relevant information without opening the file in Solid Edge. Back-end processes are at work to automatically translate released files to other formats, like PDF. Solid Edge Data Management ensures data integrity, irrespective of the size of your organization. To learn more about Solid Edge, visit solidedge.siemens.com.